Hi guys, today we discuss about SAS statements and conditions. Firstly, the purpose of SAS statements are used for filter the data. Filter means separated wanted data from the existing data set. In SAS, there are two types of statements are there. First one is an if statement and second one where statement. Okay, now the first one is if statements. For explain if conditional statement, we take an example from SAS help.class. For this, we write a code data demo set SAS help.class. Okay, we write a run and we run this code. We get one data set with the name demo. Okay, here we have a one class data set. Here we have a name, sex, age, height and weight. Now if you want to filter that sex, male and female, I need only male student from this class data set. Okay, in this situation we use if conditional statement. Then how it will be? Okay, for that I write a code filter in one variable. Okay, we take name data set with a demo 1 and a set demo is a SAS help.class already we created, and if sex equals to m. What is the meaning of it? I need only male student from that class data set. For this I mentioned if sex equals to m and run the code. Got it? Before opening the data set, check log it once. Okay, demo 1 is created with the observation 10 observations. Now we open demo 1. Look at here, what is the difference between demo and demo 1? Demo, here we have a male M and F, and in demo 1 we have only male students. Got it? Like this, so we write a filter, we apply filter condition in one data set. For example, if you want to apply more filter conditions in one if statement, okay, for that set demo, I named a new data set with the demo 2 and 6 equals to m. And here if you want to apply more filters in more than one variable, we use and. Okay, here if 6 equals to m and age equals to 12, what does it mean? I need age 12 students with only in male. Okay, now I run this code. New dataset created. Before opening it, open the log. Demo 2 is created with the 3 observation and 5 variables. I opened demo 2. Got it? Here age m, 6m and age only 12. Got it? What is the difference here? This is the first demo 1. This is the main class, main data class. Here we have a sex, m and age 14, 13, 12 like this, and what we applied one filter condition, that is sex equals to m, and now we apply two filter conditions, that is sex equals to m and age equals to 12. Now like this we can write a more than two filter conditions in one if statement. Then how it will be? And the same by using and only. Okay, for this more than one variable, and here I named the data set with the demo 3. Set demo is the class asset.class. Okay, here these are the two filter conditions already we did, sex equals to m and age equals to 12, and I apply one more filter condition, that is height greater than 50. Got it? Now I run this code. Okay, before going to dataset, check the log at once. Demo 3 is created. Now I open demo 3. Got it? Here we have only height greater than 50 only. Okay, look at once. This is the main class. First I apply one filter condition, sex equals to m, and the next I apply two filter condition, that sex equals to m and age equals to 2, and now I apply three filter conditions, sex equals to m, age equals to 2, and height should be greater than 50, and these all are right in one if conditional statement by using AND. Okay, now if you are right by the if conditional statement, we can create a new variable also. In this still now we are not creating any new variable here, we just apply in existing variables. Now we are going to create a new variable. For this write a code, create a new variable, and I named the dataset with the demo 4 and I set demo. And here if age equals to 12, and for creating a new variable we using then. If age equals to 12, then category equals to m. Got it? If, what is the meaning of it? If age equals to 12, if in case of age equals to 12, and then create a new variable called category, and in that young should be mentioned. Got it? What is the meaning of it? If age equals to 12, then category equals to m. Okay, now I run this code. Okay, before open the log. Yes, created demo 4 and I open the demo 4. Got it? So what you observe here, if age equals to 12, here age equals to 12, then category equals to young. Only at age equals to 12. Got it? Like this we can create a new variable by using then. Okay, now we can apply that filter condition for that creating a new variable also. Got it? Then how it will be? Apply filter on new variable, and I named the demo 4a, say demo 4, and if category equals to young. Got it? I just mentioned if category equals to young. Already I created a category variable by based on age 12. Now I separate that category equals to young data in demo 4a. Now I run this code. Okay, and the log is clear. Now I open demo 4a. Look at here, and age should be 12, and we are not mentioned any sex condition here. That's why we have a f also, fm, and what we applied only category equals to young. Like this we filter the data by using if conditional. Okay, now to write a multiple if statement, till now we are only write if condition, if only one statement. Now we can write multiple if statement by using else. Got it? And for this we are using dataset cars from the SAS help. Okay, and I'll take a check with the dataset name, and from SAS help dot class I run this code. Okay, check dataset is created, and I open check dataset. Here is the check data set. Now observe here what is the make and model. Okay, cars models and the types and origin and drivetrain. Like this we have one cars dataset. It is exist in SAS help. Okay, now we take cylinder variable here. Got it? Now what we mention here, simply Okay, we just write a multiple conditions. Set check. If cylinders equals to 4, then sale, I created a new variable, sale equals to buy. Okay, I mentioned else here. Till now, if cylinder equals to 4, then sale equals to buy. Enough. If in case, if not equals to 4, if cylinders not equals to 4, then sales equals to don't buy. Got it? Like this we write more than if condition by using else, multiple if statements. Okay, have you got it in this? If cylinders equals to 4, then sale equals to buy. Else, what does it mean else? If it is not equals to 4, if not, then sale equals to do not buy. No need to write if again, just to mention else is enough. Okay, we run this data set of named check1. Okay, data set is created, check1. Okay, look at here, sale is our new variable, and when it is 4, it buy, and when it is 6, do not buy, and when it is 8 also there here, do not buy. Got it? Like this we can create a new variable and at same time with the more than if statements. Okay, now we can give one more condition in it. We can write one more condition here. Then how it will be? To write a multiple if conditions. Okay, and we named the data check 2. I mentioned a length because it's a truncating, and if cylinders equals to 4, then sale equals to buy. Got it? When cylinders are 4, then sale equals to buy, and else. Now I mentioned if cylinders equals to 6, then sale equals to do not buy. Got it? Now again one more filter condition. If cylinders equals to 8, then sale equals to hold. Got it? Like this we can write multiple if statements on data set. Got it? We write a multiple if statement by using else if. Okay, and we run this data set, and we created check 2. Here observe here, when it is 6, what we mentioned, do not buy. When it is 4, it's buy, and when it is 8, it's hold. Like this we create a variable and we apply multiple if statements. Got it? Now we can delete some particular observations in a one variable by using if statement. Got it? Then how it will be? We can delete some observations from particular variable also by using delete option, by using delete. Okay, now we write the code for that to delete some observations, and I named the data set name with the check3. Okay, set check. If cylinders equals to 6, then delete. Got it? What does it mean? In cylinders variable, 6 observations, whatever in 6, the total columns should be deleted by using this code. Okay, and we run this, and one more condition, if origin equals to Europe, we have one other variable origin equals to Europe, then delete. No need to write two separate filter delete options in more than one data set. It is enough for writing more than one delete options in one data set. Okay, now we run what we delete here. If cylinders equals to 6, then it will be delete, and if origin equals to 0, then it will be delete from that data set. And here we only delete the observations, we are not delete the variables here, keep it in mind. And we open check 3. Okay, here in cylinder there is no 6 here, got it? In cylinder there is no 6, and in origin also there is no 0. Why? Because we are deleting. Okay, like this, so we can delete observations from particular variable in more than 2 variables also in one data set. Okay, and here without write a delete, we can also delete some observations by using not equal symbol. Okay, got it? Other ways to delete observation, I named the data set name with a check 4. Here set check if cylinders not equals to 6, here is the symbol not equals to. Okay, this is the symbol of not and equals to 6. Logically here what we give, cylinders not equals to 6, it means of what? We get the data of except that. Got it? Like this, we are deleting that particular observations from a variable. Okay, look at here in a check 4, I named a check 4 and I run it and check the log check 4. Okay, here in the cylinders there is no 6 here. Think about it logically, we are not mentioned here in delete, but if not equals to 6 means of what? We get only except that. If you mentioned equals to 6, we get only 6 cylinders equals to 6, but here we mention not equals to, it means of what? Except that we want to display. Okay, we have another symbol also of not equals to cap. Okay, here this is also meaning of not equals to 6. Got it? Like this, we run a code, we check the log is clear, we open check 5 is the data set. Here also we are not getting cylinders equals to 6. Okay, these are some important repeated purpose of if conditional statement. Now the second one is where statement. For explain about where statement, we take example from SAS help and take class dataset, and we write code for that data demo. I named the dataset with the demo name and set SAS help dot class and run. Okay, we run this code, and before opening dataset, we check log at once and log is clear, and we are opening demo. And here we have a demo data set with the variables of name, sex, age, height and weight. Here one variable age, we have observations 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like this. Now I want to separate the data of age equals to 12 students. In this situation we use where statement. Now we are writing code for that, and before writing the code, where statement are in 2 ways. Firstly is statement and second one is an option. First write where statement as a statement, where demo 1 and set demo. Demo is already existing data, demo 1 is a new data, and where age equals to 12, and I am running this code. Before opening dataset, check log at once and log is clear, and we are opening demo 1. Here we are only getting age equals to 12 students. Okay, now we write where condition as an option, then how it will be. And I named the dataset with the demo 2, and set demo where equals to age equals to 12 and run. And running this code. Before opening data set, check log at once, that is a must, and the log is clear, and we are opening demo 2. Here we are only getting age equals to 12 as an option. Now we are another way of write option, that is demo 2a. I name the data set with the demo 2a and where equals to age equals to 12 and set demo and run. Before opening the data set, check log at once and log is clear, and now we are opening demo 2a. Here we are only getting age equals to 12. Now here we are writing as a statement, we are writing as an option. Both are filter the data from the existing data set for particular condition. And what is the difference between these two options? Okay, first thing, if you write here filter the main data, if you write here it filter the data and get in new data set. Got it? This is the difference in these two options. Now we can apply where condition for more than one variable also. Then how it will be? Okay, and I named the data set with the demo 3 and I set demo and where also x equals to m and where also age equals to 12 and run, and I am running this code. Before opening data set, check log at once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 3. Here we are only have age equals to 12 and sex equals to 10. Okay, now observe here, this is the main data set named demo, and here we have age equals to 11 to 16. Now we are applying only on age equals to 12. That's why we are getting age equals to 12. We are applying now any filter condition in sex. That's why we are getting sex m and f. Now we are applying that sex variable also of m. That's why we are getting like this. Like this, we can apply number of filter conditions and number of variables by using also. Okay, now we can apply where condition in one variable for two observations, and also on numeric and also on character. First on numeric, I named the data set with the demo 4 and set demo and where age in, here we are using in operator and 12 comma 13. Okay, and I am running this code. Before opening data set, check log at once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 4. Here observe, here we have age equals to 12 and 13 also. Like this, we can apply a two observation in one variable on numeric variable. Now we can apply on character variable. Then how it will be? I named the data set with the demo 5 and a set demo and where name in Alfred and William. Okay, I am running this code. Before opening data set, check log at once. Okay, log is clear. Now I am opening demo 5. Here we are getting only names of students Alfred and William. Like this, we can apply filter condition by using where statement. Now we can apply filter condition in one variable more than two observations. Then how it will be? I named the data set with the demo 6 and set demo where age in 12, 13, 14. Like this, you can increase the number of observations by using in operator, and I am running this code. Before opening data set, check log at once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 6. Here we are getting of age variable with the observations 12, 13 and 14. Okay, now up to here we can only apply where condition in a data set. Now we can apply where condition in any procedure steps also as statement as an option, and for this I am taking the examples from proc sort procedure. Okay, first one as a statement in a proc sort data equals to demo, and I am giving out demo 7 and by age sorting and where age equals to 12. This is like a statement of where condition in a procedure step, and I am running this code. Before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 7. Here we are getting age equals to 12 in procedure step. Now we can apply as an option in a procedure step. Okay, and where is proc sort demo data equals to demo out demo 7a, and I am applying where as an option where equals to age equals to 12 by age and run. And before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 7a. Here we are getting dataset in a procedure step as an option. Like this we can apply filter conditions by using where condition or statement. And for practicing, make your own examples. Like what? For example, if you separate only age equals to 11 from this dataset, or only female students, or only height greater than 50, like this, if you practice your own examples, you may understand easily and fastly. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.